Let's have a look at the second characteristic, which is heterogeneity. Heterogeneity in the context of distributed system is referring to the state of diversity in character and content, which means we could have various types of applications that need to talk to each other. Heterogeneity is a big issue in distributed system. We might have a new system that needs to talk to the legacy system. We need to make applications that were developed in different languages and platforms able to communicate with each other. Why do we need this application to be able to communicate with each other? Simply because, first, we cannot afford to develop or migrate the existing system to a new technology due to financial constraints. Second, we cannot force other developers to develop their application with the same technology as ours. Third, the technology is not suitable with the requirements. Therefore, we need to use the latest technology. The solution is we need to find ways to integrate these heterogeneous applications. Distributed applications deal with various types of heterogeneities. The ones shown here are some of them. First, we have different development languages. Let's say we have an e-commerce application that was developed using Java. Then, we need a new application that is accessible to iPhone users, whereby it will be reusing some of the features in the e-commerce application. Here, we are dealing with two different languages, which are Java and Swift. Therefore, integration is required when Swift needs to access some of the functions in the e-commerce application that was developed using Java. The second type is different deployment platforms. For example, we have two different applications that are hosted in two application servers. For example, here we have Tomcat and Glassfish server. We could deal with different components such as HTML and Java, which is the third type. HTML is a script that renders data on browser, and we combine them with Java codes so that it becomes more dynamic. Finally, we could have teams that are working with different modules and development method. For instance, we have apps teams, payment gateway team, and EA team. Something to think of. What could be the suitable development method for these teams? Think of it, and let's share your findings in your class notebook.